Oh, we're back with me and my sons. We're doing another science experiment with lemons, as again found in our 365 simple science experiments with everyday materials. This one, we just took some lemon and squeezed it, put it in this jar here, and we are gonna clean some pennies. So pennies, they get dark like this because they start to oxidize. And so the copper binds with the oxide and it makes it look real dull. So if you bind it with lemons, if you have put in lemons, the hydrogen atoms that are with the lemons that make it sour will then bind with the oxide and come off the copper and make them shiny again. Think it'll make them shiny? Should we try it?
Yep. And this one is different than the energy one.
Oh, yep, different than the energy one. This one we're just cleaning stuff. So we're just gonna plop them in here and we're gonna wait 5 minutes and see how they look.
Yep.
Okay, it's now been 10 minutes and we have sat here watching these pennies get a little bit brighter. Can you look in there? What do you think? Think they're a little brighter? Not very clean? I think they're brighter than they were before. Should I try to reach in there and grab them out?
Yeah. Do it.
Okay, I'll do it.
Oh, they're clean.
So drop those out. I don't know if we can take a picture from or zoom back and zoom in from before, but those are much cleaner than they were before. They
Yep.
these are not the exact same pennies we used before, but they were more of that type of shade, and now they're that. Just out of lemon juice. Pretty cool, huh?
Cool.
Very cool.